Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher, and today we're taking a look at a 2006 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. I'm going to take you around the inside of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. All right, now at the aft section of this Sea Ray, as you can see, this is equipped with a beautiful, large swim platform area back here, equipped with a non-slip surface there, so great for your high traffic areas coming in and out of the boat. Here on your port side, you have a beautiful wraparound seating area. All of this upholstery is in great condition, no cracks, no rips, looks really good and is going to be good for years to come. Over here on your starboard side, this is going to be equipped with your wet bar, which is your sink area, as well as a trash can storage. Also inside your cockpit here, there's plenty of speakers, so you're going to have some great audio while you're tied up out on the lake. Making our way up to the helm, this boat is equipped with dual captain's chairs. So you have one on your port side, one on your starboard side. Up here at the helm area, you're going to see your gauge clusters. This is going to contain your trim settings as well as your speed and RPMs. And down here below, you're going to have some switches for your other functions, such as your bilge pump, through-hole exhaust, and bilge blower. Now follow me up to the bow and let's look at the seating up here. Making our way up to the bow, you can see this boat is very well maintained. All the carpet is in great condition. And up here is a great lounge area, wraparound seating, plenty of space for all your friends and family, and a great spot to hang out on the water. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.